Road safety in Europe has improved greatly in the last 30 years, even though traffic has increased threefold. EU road fatalities have been reduced by more than half since 2001. And the region also has the safest roads in the entire world. Nevertheless, our ambition is to work towards zero traffic fatalities in the future. The only way to continue reducing road accidents is by ensuring that safe vehicles are driven by safe drivers on safe roads. When looking at vehicle design, recent advances in active and passive safety technologies have cut the number of accidents and injuries over the last decades. Active safety covers technologies that can prevent accidents altogether, or at least can actively help you to reduce the impact of emergency situations. To that end, various safety systems constantly monitor the performance and the surroundings of your vehicle. Simply put, active safety prevents or mitigates an accident pre-impact, so before it actually happens. The first wave of active safety is already widely fitted to today's cars and commercial vehicles. Anti-lock braking systems prevent the wheels of your car from locking should you brake heavily, and enable you to keep steering. Electronic stability controls helps prevent your car from skidding and you from losing control while turning a corner. Now, a second wave of active safety measures is being introduced using cutting-edge technology such as sensors, radar, cameras, GPS, and lasers. Autonomous emergency braking systems start braking automatically if a collision is imminent and you are not taking any action or not fast enough. Lane-keeping assistance systems take over steering or apply pressure to the brakes if your car is drifting out of its travel lane. Drowsiness and attention detection systems assess your alertness and warn you to take a break when needed. If a collision is really unavoidable, active safety systems are also able to reduce the impact. Slowing the speed of a vehicle before impact can save lives, for example. Passive safety systems, on the other hand, protect you and other road users if a crash occurs. In other words, passive safety technology is all about reducing the consequences of an accident, during and after the crash. Today, a range of built-in mechanisms protect you in case of a crash, such as pre-tension seatbelts, airbags, and energy-absorbing crumple zones. Over the past decades, they have made a major contribution to road safety by reducing the number of fatalities and the level of injury of accidents. As a result, most European vehicles now score high in crash tests. However, passive safety technology is reaching a level of maturity. Now, active safety technology offers huge potential to make great strides in improving road safety. Looking ahead, it is clear that active safety should take priority when it comes to directing future investments or drawing up new vehicle safety regulations. Simply because active safety can deliver greater benefits and avoid accidents altogether, rather than only reducing the effects of a crash. That does not mean that passive safety measures will disappear from vehicles. On the contrary, they will remain essential and continue to save many lives in the future. Road safety is complex and depends on lots of different factors and interactions. Cutting-edge vehicle technology is just one piece of this complex safety puzzle. Equally important are the behavior of road users, as well as the maintenance and design of roads. Indeed, 90% of all accidents today are linked to human error. Like when we are distracted, fail to anticipate a situation, or break traffic rules. Unclear traffic signs, poor lane markings, and badly designed roads also have a major impact on safety. In other words, in order to save even more lives in the future, we need to ensure that safe vehicles are driven by safe drivers on safe roads.